What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a little while since I have made a video on this car, so I wanted to give you guys an update, show you guys the things that have been going on since the last video I put out probably a month or two ago. I'll have to look back in the description and see how long ago that was, to be exact. Since the last update, I have installed the USR black housing HR style, or 06 to 08 style, let me put it that way. A lot of people get butthurt when I say HR style, but these are the 06 to 08 headlights made by USR, which is Unique Style Racing. They have the same incorporated 4 LED amber lights on the side, black housings, extremely nice lighting output. I also did put in the LasFit LED, the HID to LED conversion kit, which I'll put in the link description below. You guys can check it out. It's about a $250 option. It really helps out the clarity and output when you're using these projector headlights. I highly recommend that LED kit. I haven't really done anything to the interior as far as the cockpit area. I don't know if I showed you on the last video, but the finisher trim, the black area there, it's usually like a dark gray. Some trim levels you actually get a super light gray. Same thing with the upper here. That was all flaked off. A lot of 350Z and G35s do that over time. This one I took out, scuffed it up a little bit with a Scotch-Brite pad, sprayed it with a satin black enamel paint, and it's held up really nicely. No gloss to it, just a very nice touch. And I even did the gauges there at the top. I don't know why there's some dots here. I just need to clean this off. The trim rings around the gauges are silver. I actually blacked those out, so nice little touch there to the interior. Definitely a subtle upgrade, but it is a nice subtle upgrade. I am going to be getting the cruise control switch along with the 2 sensors that you have to install down below. Once I get that installed, I do have to get a new tune for this. It does have a flash tune for performance, but I also have to get the ECU reflashed to adapt for the cruise control. So that'll be an easy flash tune that I can get via email, I hope. This thing has bothered me since the day I had it. I thought I liked it. This Galaxy shift boot, it definitely has seen better days. It's not even in there in the correct way. It's just kind of sitting up under the shift ball. If anybody wants this Galaxy shift boot, let me know. I'll gladly send this to you. Just cover the shipping costs and you can have it. I may keep this shifter ball. It is a weighted titanium looking shifter ball. It's very nice, doesn't have any damage to it. But I am going to be getting an OEM Nissan 350Z shift knob, and as you guys know, those are not a cheap shift knob, so gonna keep this as a backup. But yeah, I'm definitely getting rid of this, going back to the factory leather boot. Maybe an Alcantara upgraded option, I'm not sure there. I haven't done anything to the engine. It still has the same intake that it came with, still has the plenum spacer. I actually did remove the strut brace because whoever installed this spacer did not put the strut brace spacers where it mounts to the towers. So the brace was actually sitting right on the plenum itself, causing a massive vibration in the entire car. So temporarily I just deleted the bar. It actually drives hella better, 100% better. Super smooth, no vibrations anywhere. But the new additions are all in the back of this car. Right off the bat, you guys can see that the hatch does have a factory lip, factory spoiler on it, and it also has the emblems back on. This hatch has been replaced, and if you look carefully under the right lighting conditions, you can actually see it's not the correct silver to paint match to the vehicle, to this car. This is, I can't remember the code that he told me, but it doesn't have any metallic flake in it. And even if I get up close, you're not gonna be able to really see. Well, maybe here. You can see a little flake here, but there's no flake there. It's just pure silver. This is the chrome silver metallic factory paint. I don't remember what paint code that one is, but it's off in certain lighting conditions. But right now, can't really tell. Just looks silver. Had my glass pulled out and reinstalled with the old hatch. That only cost 85 bucks. Couldn't beat that. I am going to be doing a wiper delete here soon. It's already ordered. I now have the 06 to 08 LED taillights. These are not an eBay taillight. They are not an aftermarket. This is a factory setup. They have 8 LED holes. So you got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in each hole, there's actually 2 diodes. So you can actually have 16 LEDs. And I believe there's one behind this in the back just to illuminate the rest of the housing. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong there. I still have my smoked lower turn signals, which I am going to be replacing. I already have the clear ones to put in, but I might keep those for a little while. Not sure. Probably won't. This is where all of the additions have been made. I now have the factory mat, which is almost brand new. Like I said, I have the clear housings on both sides to put in. Complete tower, plastics, all the foam on the underside I do not have a spare yet. I will be getting one, possibly just to fill in the void. The only thing I'm looking for now is those plastics in that area for both sides. And then whatever trim piece goes alongside the bottom of that. That plastic piece mounts to underside of this. I just haven't put it in yet. It's kind of a pain in the butt. It's almost back to completely factory. Actually, if you see there, right in the middle, there, the center console lid still has a blue adhesive overlay. I need to buy a new lid because I tried pulling that off and it started pulling the leather cover off of the console.